gap between episodes 4, A New Hope, and 5, The Empire Strikes Back. We are here discussing Marvel Comics' Chewbacca, issue number 2. Chewbacca has agreed to help young Zaro rescue her father and others enslaved by Jom, who is running a mining facility for the benefit of the Empire. Zaro shows Chewbacca one of the air vents that leads down to the mine. The plan? Zaro crawls back into the mine and allows herself to get captured. Using a tracking device, she will lead Chewbacca to an underpopulated part of the mine shaft where he can locate an air vent and climb down with a rope, allowing the rest of the prisoners to escape. As Chewbacca climbs down the shaft, he seems to be afraid. When confined in the tight space, he recalls when the Wookiees were captured by a band of Trandoshans, presumably back on Kashyyyk. We are left wondering if his phobia will prevent him from rescuing Zaro and her father. Zaro and her father are taken to Jom. A group of the captive workers realize that they are being sold into slavery to the Empire. Jom is selling his entire operation. When one of the workers revolts, he is shot down, and the rest of the prisoners scatter for fear of being killed. Zaro, her father Arix, and other prisoners are cornered by Jom's men, and are about to be executed, when Zaro sees Chewbacca pop down from the roof of the cavern. He manages to incapacitate all the men in the area. When Zaro explains to Chewbacca that his bowcaster may ignite the beetles in the cavern, Chewbacca rigs a nearby gonk droid into a stun weapon. He leads them out to the front of the mine when he turns to Arix for his bowcaster. Chewbacca scouts ahead for any resistance before allowing Zaro and her father to proceed any further. As he exits the mine, all seems quiet. Too quiet. Just then, he spots a stash of the beetle larvae from the mine, which we now know to be explosive. A well-placed shot from Jom's henchman ignites the stash. While we know Chewbacca survives this attack, in what condition he survives will have to be revealed in the next issue. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with all the insight and analysis found here at Star Wars The Canon Explained. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Leave your comments and questions about this story or any elements of the Star Wars canon below. Till next time, may the Force be with you.